How to change Upwork profile from private to public. Hi guys, in this video you would learn how you can change Upwork profile from private to public, so kindly watch till the end. The first step is to log in into your Upwork account just like I have done here, and then once you're logged in, this is how your home page will look like. You will see Upwork by the top left corner, and the next Upwork you'll see other tabs, right? And then once you can see all of this, by the time you scroll down you'll see available jobs. Okay, now the next step is to go to your profile, and how can you go there? By moving to your top right corner of the screen. By top right corner, you'll see a profile icon. Once you see this, click on it. Once you click on it, in the box displayed, you'll see the settings option. Just go ahead and select it. After selecting the settings option, you'll be asked to input your password to verify if you're the one. Input your password, and then once you've done that, this is how your home page would look like. Once you're on this page, you can see contact info, right? Where you can see your user ID, you can see your name, you can see other things that can be done. Then the next step is move to the left side of the screen, where you can see a menu such as membership and connect, contact info, etc. Just go ahead and click on my profile. After clicking on my profile, you will be taken to your profiles page, where you would see your position, your work history, your portfolio, etc. And the next step is to move to the right side of the screen, where you can see profile settings, and then you click on it. Once you click on profile settings, you will be brought to my profiles page, and then the next thing you will see is visibility, right? So this is where we are heading to. Once you're here, for you to change it from private to public, you have to ensure that it's on private before. For me, mine is on public already, so just tap on it this way, and then once you tap on the box, you will see other options like public, only Upwork users, private. So you can just click on it this way to change it to private, and then just like that it will be changed. And the same way, if you want to change it to public, just click on public, and then it will be changed to public. So this is how you can change your Upwork profile from private to public. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.